Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily insert the printhead for your Canon PIXMA TS5150. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the printer itself. Now you'll guys see two print heads right here, basically the slots for them. And here we have our printhead. Now, if we want to insert it, we need to basically open it up and now place it deep at the bottom. Now, to make sure that it's in, basically close it, and then that's basically it. You guys can close the printer now and check if it works. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.